outside again in the middle of the night. It's the day before. It's like 11:30, taking out the garbage. The sky looks amazing right now. Oh, look at the moon. The sky looks so amazing right now. Look at that. All the clouds. That looks so cool. Let's see if I can get a good shot. Okay. This area out there is just regular black sky. Hold on, I gotta get this to focus. Yeah, so that area is like regular black sky. Then you start going up and you'll notice it'll start turning white, because that's when the clouds start all the way around. It's like a big circle. Hold on, I gotta get to focus again. I don't know why it does that. And then you keep going and the moon's in the middle of the circle. See if I can get it to focus. Please focus. Oh, look at that. That is super freaking cool. That is really cool. Look at that image. Wow. Oh shoot, there's an airplane. Come on, focus. It's not gonna focus for me. Damn. That's pretty cool though. It flew right past the moon. I don't know. Okay. Sorry, I get nature, all that stuff. Especially at nighttime. I love it. I love it. Everything just looks so pretty. Gorgeous. It's amazing. Look at that. It's so cool. I'm not even really talking about anything, but it's so cool. I think my stepdad's here. So, I guess I'll cut to today's vlog. Bye. What is up, guys? I don't know if it's gonna storm or not, but I wanted to show you these birds. They're playing all over the place. I don't know if you can see them in that tree or not. See them going? Oh, they all just flew. There's still a couple in there. I can't tell on the camera though if you can see any. Shoot. I'm trying to move closer. Oh, they're all flying away though. But it's so cool. Oh, there's some at the top. Oh, there we go. You can see him. You can see a couple of them. Look at them. That is so cool. They're just flying around all over the place. Oh, he's trying to eat off the thing. Off the berry. Which is the one? Which is the one that I'm looking at right now? I can see one. That looks like a female cardinal, but I don't know how I can see it on the camera. Because when I zoom in, it's actually hard. It's pretty difficult to see where in the tree I'm actually looking at. I think she flew away though. And there was one on the power line over here. I think it's gone though. Yeah, that one's gone. But they seem to like this tree right here. Probably because of the berries. I don't know. That is pretty cool. Oh, jeez. Oh, and there's a butterfly. This is really tiny. Well, I thought that was pretty cool to show you guys. There was a good group of them. There was like 20 probably in the tree at one time. Oh, my hair is all messed up. Oh, there's Tasha in the window. Hi, Tasha. Hi. Oh, yeah. I know I kept showing you multiple times in my vlogs through that one window out there at nighttime, I think. Yeah, I think it was every time at nighttime, and how the window was dirty, so I just remembered. I should probably wash that today before it rains or whatever it looks like it's gonna do today. But yeah. Okay, on to whatever else I film. Before, with the windows kind of okay, but kind of dirty. The farther back you go, though, you can't tell. But the closer, you can. Okay, now I'm really confused. The dirt isn't actually on the outside, but it's not on the inside either. So I think it's in between window. Like when they put the two window panes together, I think it was already dirty when they put it on. That's the only way I can explain. I don't know how the dirt would have got in there any other way, in between. Because it's only one window. Like, if you can tell, it's just one window pane, but somehow the dirt is in between. Because look, it's almost like the outside wasn't even dirty. Because there barely anything came off, and I used Windex. It's Windex brand Windex, but look at this. It's the same as though I didn't even do it, except there's like a small shine to it now. Shinier dirt, I guess. Well, that doesn't make any sense to me at all. Shoot. I don't know what to do now. That kind of sucks. Can't ever look out the window without it being all dirt. Damn. Well, might as well do the rest of the windows anyway. Make it shiny dirt. Okay, well this just shocked me. After finishing the outside of the windows and stuff, I came in here to wash the inside, and it actually wound up being the inside for the most part. There's still a little bit that's like on the inside, I guess, but that's what it looks like on the inside. And I was trying to think, like, how could the window get so dirty like that? And then I remembered the window, the area up in the top, has stuff, like dirt stuff, falling down, like quite a lot. Most of it's like happens in my room, but this room it does too. So that's probably what it was. The dirt keep dripping down from there, and it got all over the window. Anyway, this is the end result. Much better looking. It actually looks like I'm outside now, because it's not focusing on any dirt. You might see like a speck somewhere like there, but for the most part, it's much, much, much better. That's awesome, because I like coming to this window, and if anything happens outside, like a nice sunset or the moon or whatever, I can go to this window and film out here without the camera focusing on dirt. So that's nice. So there actually was a storm today too. That happened before I started washing the windows. Forgot to mention that. But yeah, so before, after. Okay. See you guys for whatever else today. Well, I'm not expecting anything more today. Even if there is, I will still record it, but it will be in tomorrow's video instead. But I figured I might as well get today's video finished now so that it can start saving, so I can start uploading it, because if I want to go to bed earlier every day before midnight, I gotta make sure the video is going to be finished and started uploading before midnight, which sometimes it can take about 2 hours to save it before I can even start uploading it, and it's almost 8 o'clock now, so probably around 10 o'clock it'll be finished if I finish it. If I start now, but if I keep waiting, then it'll be past midnight again before I go to bed. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here. So yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do from now on. Is I'll just end it around like 8 o'clock and start having the video save it like from like 8 o'clock, and then have it start uploading right before I go to bed. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and I will see you guys again tomorrow. Bye.